Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your colleagues ask you about your bench press right before an important meeting? Well, worry no more, my fellow executives. Today I have got your back. Get ready to command the boardroom and the weight room with confidence. Other than technique and efficiency, the amount you can bench will be influenced by two main factors: your pressing strength and the stability of your scapulas. Let's start by addressing point one. To improve pressing strength, we need to focus on three main muscle groups: the triceps, the pectorals, and the anterior delts. Triceps can be strengthened with upright dips, close grip bench press, and triceps extension. Variations: pectorals can be strengthened with forward leaning dips and by altering the angles for bench press along with grip positions. For the anterior delts, we can get stronger by using overhead presses and incline bench variations. Strengthening those muscle groups will potentiate the strength of your bench, but to ensure that we also have the stability to safely execute our lift, we need to move on to addressing point number two. A famous quote by renowned Charles Poliquin explains it best: "You can't fire a cannon from a canoe." In similar fashion, if your scapula is not sufficiently stabilized during the lift, then our ability to generate force will be limited because neural drive will be reduced. A common limiting factor for scapular stability is a weak rotator cuff, and once it's strengthened, we are able to unlock our full strength potential. Here is a series of exercises which will help you unlock the strength of your rotator cuff for healthier shoulders and overall higher performance in the bench. Enjoy the gains on your bench and remember that you can bench on any other day than the International Bench Monday. Like this content? Subscribe now and hit the bell for instant notification. Thank you for watching.